Dance Cars, the Swiss Automotive channel, and welcome to my tiny garage. Well, I'm in Switzerland, so it's normal sized, I guess. And today I'm here to fix my Volvo C30. If you have watched my last video, my fuel pressure sensor is faulty, so I ordered a new one. Let's get started. Okay, what do we need? We need tools, we need the parts, we need a beer, and we need gloves because I'm an accountant and I don't like to get my hands dirty. What we need also is a towel. Okay, first step, a good old pale ale from Switzerland. Okay, then we open the package. Wow, it's huge. Here it is, fuel pressure sensor. Okay. Okay, first thing on the car we do is remove the fuse number 74. Nailed it, fuse is out. Good. Next step, start the car and let it stall out from idling. Good, let's see. Okay, next step is to disconnect the battery. Probably a 10. Yep. Okay, now I have to remove time belt cover. Here's the fuel pressure sensor. Okay, removing the old fuel pressure sensor. Oh no. This tool is too big. That's what she said. I guess I have to go to the shop and get some new tools. Okay, I'm back and well, that's what I bought. This little tool set and well, let's see. This tiny cheap made tool set cost me 35 Swiss francs. So welcome to Switzerland. Let's see if it works. Now it's time for the new one.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just
Okay, and the last one is this tiny little fuse. Okay, let's see. So, I'm gonna sit in the car, try to start it, and we'll see if it worked. I wish I had a bigger garage. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Next, we have to see if there are any codes left.
Take my eyes open to force reality.
Okay, let's see. Reading codes. No codes! I did it! This 10-minute job only took me about 2 hours and I'm so proud of me. Good job! Okay, let's go for a drive and see if everything is okay. But first I have to change the number plates from my XC70 to the C30. Yes, in Switzerland you can do that. That's perfect. You can drive 2 cars with the same number plate and just pay a little extra on insurance.
Like
So the insurance for the XC70 cost me about 1,500 Swiss francs a year, and for my C30 it's additional 200 Swiss francs, so almost nothing. Oh, I missed my C30. Couldn't drive it for a week now because I just didn't want to drive it with the check engine light on, and I really missed it. 206,000 kilometers and going strong. The fuel pressure sensor cost me about 50 Swiss francs, which is probably about $60 or $55. If that's all it needs, perfect. We're back in my garage. The car is fixed. I'm very happy about it. Well, last thing is, thank you for your help. No problem. I was happy to help. Cheers to us. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.